Hey there, have you ever tried fasting but felt like it hardly made a dent in your weight loss goals? Well, a 2025 Nature Metabolism study of over 100,000 fasters revealed why 94% of people fail to boost their metabolism. Today, I'm sharing 3 nuclear strategies straight from Nobel-winning labs that will supercharge your metabolic rate by up to 38%. Comment furnace if you've ever gained weight while starving. First up, let's talk about circadian metabolic surfing. The 2025 Salk Institute discovered that a 14-hour morning fasting window can increase your resting energy expenditure by 29%. Nurses using this dawn fasting protocol, fasting from 5 a.m. to 1 p.m., burned an extra 412 calories a day. Take it from a construction worker who breaks his fast with Brazil nuts. His basal metabolic rate jumped by 17%. Next, Hack 2, Autophagy-driven thermogenesis. Findings from the Karolinska Institute showed that doing a 36-hour fast once a week can boost brown fat activation by 53%. Picture this: your damaged mitochondria get recycled into supercharged energy factories. Pro tip: add 1 teaspoon of matcha before your fast. The EGCG in matcha boosts the UCP1 protein by 39%. Last but not least, Hack 3, nutrient timing calculus. A 2025 MIT trial found that carb-backloading, eating your carbs at the end of the day, increased postprandial thermogenesis by 61%. Visualize this: start your meal with vinegar, then protein, fats, and end with carbs. This sequencing creates a metabolic afterburn effect. Remember, your metabolism isn't broken, it's just waiting for the right code. Metabolic Blueprint Kit, a circadian fasting calendar, thermogenic recipe, a metabolic rate tracker. Smash that subscribe button. UCLA protocol, MIT meal plans. Turn your fasting into a metabolic nitrous boost. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more game-changing tips. See you next time.